Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now 8:30 a.m. in the morning. We are at Amco Digisit Lodge and Restaurant. It was a beautiful location. I highly recommend for everyone this location. You won't get disappointed. We don't care it's raining. First we start with the drinks. Look at that. They already start the party. They're going very hard right now. Later we are going to swim over there. We're just waiting, warming up right now. We don't care it's raining or not. We're going to swim today. There's a cool rock formation over there. Let's do it. Look at that.
There's more talangka.
What is that?
Little crab.
Crab? You have a crab over here. My friends over here looking for the crab. Looks like this is a gateway. How about that? Such a beautiful place. Look at the rock formation. I don't know, get in the water or go around the rock. I think go around the rock is better. Let's try. Wow, look at that. Looks like a pathway. Whoa, slippery. Slippery, very slippery. Solidly like. Lucky enough.
Father, can you take a photo?
Yeah, it's a video. Then I'll take a picture. If you fall down, damage guarantee.
Almost 2 feet. Let's go, jump! Ano? Pinipicture ka, tumingkil.
Woo!
Full body.
Kita ba tayo?
Oo. Maganda. Hey, what's this? Oh no, talangka.
Oh no.
Cookie. Alat. Alat.
If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, there is a lighthouse. Beautiful lighthouse. Let's zoom it up. Wow, that's nice. Later, I will go over there. Current situation, everybody busy with taking photo. Look at that. Kim shooting photo. And look here, everybody taking photo over here also.
Okay na yun.
Turkak! Ano yung niluluto mo?
Ito.
Ay, puking yan. Laki yun.
Sabi ko na tilapia ang sibun. Ba't ay nagpugas ang mga?
Muna lang din dyan. Pare, malinis naman. Hindi, parang hindi makalat. I-boost mo na lang dito. Yes, pwede wala. Hindi ako nang bahala sa akin.
Ito ko, dalawa na tayo dito. Pare, dalawa na kami ni Cook dito.
Asa yung mga babae, pare pa upuin mo yung mga babae ako sa loob.
Kami ni Cook, dalawa.
Bro, pare pa upuin mo yung iba.
Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.